Presenting the Brother DCP-B7500D all-in-one auto duplex monochrome printer. This printer is suitable for use in small offices and enterprises with regular or frequent printing needs of more than 300 pages per month. The printer comes with low-cost toner box technology that gives you high-quality prints at low costs. It also ensures that you only need to replace a small toner tube, allowing you to reuse the drum unit for optimal cost efficiency. This printer prints in black and white only. The printer comes with USB connectivity. With a high printing speed of up to 34 pages per minute, this printer can meet your larger printing needs. It comes with an inbuilt memory of 128 MB, which makes storing documents and files easier. The automatic two-sided printing technology can scale 2 or more documents to 1 A4 paper, thereby helping you save paper. It also comes with zoom copy technology that lets you print with 25% to 400% zoom. The compatible laser toner for this printer is TNB021. The printer comes with 250-page fully enclosed large-capacity paper tray to protect the paper from dust and moisture. This product comes with 1-year brand warranty. The printer comes with power cable, USB cable, user manual, and installation CD. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods to avail no-cost EMI where available. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.